Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to permanently delete your IMO account. For that, make sure you already have the application and you are logged into your account. Now it is a very simple step, just follow me through the process. At this home page, at the bottom right, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap over there. Now here you need to choose the option settings, so tap over there. Now you will be led to this kind of interface. There you can see the option account and security just below theme. Simply tap over there. Now here you can see various options. Make sure you want to really delete your IMO account. If not, you can simply tap on logout and you will be logged out of your IMO account. But if you want to delete, then simply tap on delete IMO account option. Now here firstly you need to enter your passcode. After that, you will be led to this kind of page. They will be providing you on information what happens if you delete your account. After reading this, all you need to do is tap on apply to delete. Now here you need to choose a reason. If the reason belongs to this category, it's fine. You can tap on that, or else you can simply tap on other reasons. And you can enter the own reason that you are having. Or else you can go back and choose the reason. After choosing the reason, you need to simply tap on the continue to delete option. Now here you need to enter your phone number. After that, simply tap on the blue icon at the top right. Make sure you read all of this. Again, this kind of box will pop up. All you need to do is tap on delete. And now you can see that your IMO account has been deleted permanently. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.